Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open the Google or Gemini app and sign in. Make sure the app is updated. Once done, check your device language and region settings so Gemini has the correct baseline. Then tap the profile or settings icon, navigate to the voice or assistant section, and choose voice settings. You're now positioned to change the voice language. These initial checks prevent mismatches and missing options later. Now continue by selecting the voice language itself. In voice settings, tap language and review available language options. Some languages include multiple regional variants. Pick the desired language and then select the voice variant or accent if offered. Make sure to accept any prompts to download language data. This may require Wi-Fi to save data. Once the download completes, test with a short prompt. This step changes how Gemini pronounces words and applies locale-specific rules for better naturalness. Finish by validating and finalizing the language change. Speak multiple test prompts and listen for pronunciation, then tweak speech rate or voice pitch in settings to suit clarity. If changes don't apply immediately, restart the app and, if needed, reboot the device. That often forces settings to refresh. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see the old voice, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to remove stale data. If problems persist, confirm your Google account permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.